Kaunti ya Kisii Mwanchumo Ligari omugavana we kaunti yo Simbarati itukoria rero nigara abana inchi be kaunti ya Kisii asogo chengera ritukeriga rya jamhuri wekirania emerongo 5 nomo nebere ime yegeti kya mubamba kegotoke wodi kya mukamense mo ebunge ya Nyaribari Masava na umurikito Petwel Machini bunako era sorobotiro kubwatia nigo bono mugavana Simba aira ribaga heri na kubeka tena nigati ya magendro au hayu serikali ya Nyareko bakego ikirania nemo na sector wachenu chisemi obasombi negati yande amange ayo aikirana gesasa usaikirande gesasa wabisi asebona mochiri haba miria bae hase okobanga guturbania moigo yoye
abamenyi benseme ya mubamba ewodi yake mukame bunge Nyaribari Masava county ya Kisii nigo risukurerero baringe no mugoko maiga y'umugavana bwe county ya Kisii nabigo ebyombe byo oborindi kurwase county ya Kisii kwariganya umuyiga bwo ricengera ricukuriya jamhuri de ya 50 no monebere ime ye chinsemicho.
Our presence here today is a tribute to the brave men and women who face danger with unwavering resolve. These freedom fighters chose the difficult path so that generations like ours could live with dignity, opportunity and hope.
Mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musika Paul Simbarati nigara umuyego yiga ukwanekerekyo nikobona nyakabaga gusanga na wichandra egatia barayikurwa sensemeyo asogotema guturbanya umuyego yo
angusi ninche kabara ya Kisii abantu mbali nabwete oburayi bwekikura kuruyigoro kurumwisoni ngaho banga mukutano toba mubamba ngusi naende Nyaribari naende nese county ya
nanya nabo asengona nigo mugavana Simbarati anyakabuga kwerera igati ya magendero anyakabuga wikirania igati ya baschinyigitari chipara nabego chiskuru yesa swabisi.
In health, my administration values the vital role of our health professionals and support staff in delivering high quality promotive, preventive, curative and in rehabilitative care up to the village level. Since taking office, we have recorded significant strides. Thanks to your unwavering commitment, teamwork and compassionate care improving outcome across the county. I sincerely thank my team in the health sector and my administration. In infrastructure, roads and public works, our focus on whole weather road has improved connectivity, mobility, economic opportunity, and the quality of life. This year, we have constructed 721 kilometers of road. To date, 165 roads in 2024 and 139 roads in 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to report remarkable progress in education, technical training, innovative science across all 45 wards.
Nanya nabo nigo mugavana Simbarati anyakabuga kwenekinga nigo lyakirinde lyonsi litachiko nyakabari gwanchirwa asumurobere bwo kubarika abanyagitari nabo igo aborokya chimisano.
Ntwa advertise ya mabaga 300 y'abanyagitari baitu n'abarimu 200 abantu 500 manyanga abantu aba etuganite abantu 500 boka ntaye tukubasaba muntu tabasa korulyaki ekyalo koruto kumanya gose ngwetole gostori weta ekyaga bantu aba bane na abatebiri abo mwiri abe montoki mbaba sakobwata yakinde lyose
nakubwatekana ne serikali yobomo nigo bono Musike Simbarati anyakabuga korira nakuburi abananchi kumusira asokwenekinga ngorigia bali amagendro kurwase serikali rabisi
engombe yeroro mbande ngasimba no mukame ntagetenye kame mwanjanye kame konye kamande mpaka na alia ya omweli akole achiche esibono no on the proud best osentike kama kakinta kamangire mwana nko kama nalinda anyo chibesange na neoche basari mheshimiwa Mataraga kombolie para gambeke embadega komboli mbeke beka maje mu wanja boygo.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV koromobamba ebunge ya Nyaribari Masabe County ya Kisii Chempethuel Machin.